Hello friends, I'm Saurabh from SimplyTech. In this video, we will see how to create a slidable image gallery like this. Creating a post named image gallery, and I will add a gallery to it. Click on the plus button at the top left and search gallery. Upload images for your gallery. Here you can make basic changes to your gallery, like you can decide the number of columns or you can crop the images. The image gallery is ready, but the images are not clickable. To make the images clickable, we will have to link them to their media files. Still, there is no option to backward or forward the image. We need a plugin called WP Featherlight. This will make the gallery slidable. Install and activate the plugin. Thank you. If it was helpful, like the video and subscribe my channel.